Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette in Rocket League. First, understand that the Corvette is often available for a limited time. You'll need to keep an eye on the in-game item shop. It typically appears as part of a special bundle or event. Don't worry if you missed it. These items frequently return. Staying updated with official Rocket League announcements is key to snagging this awesome car. The most common way to get the Corvette is through the item shop. Both the C8, R, and C7, R versions have been featured there. These are typically sold as part of a bundle, which includes both car bodies and some unique decals or wheels. You'll usually need between 100, and 2,000 credits to purchase the bundle. Keep checking the shop daily, as its inventory rotates frequently. Beyond the daily item shop, the Corvette has also been available during specific in-game events. These events often introduce new themed content, and the Corvette might be a featured premium item. While it hasn't been a standalone DLC in the traditional sense, it's always wise to check for any new bundles released alongside major game updates. These limited-time opportunities are your best bet. To maximize your chances, always follow Rocket League's official social media channels and in-game news. They announce when popular items like the Corvette are returning. Make sure you have enough credits saved up, typically around 500, so you're ready to buy it instantly. Also, for those looking to improve their financial game, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Happy driving and good luck getting your dream car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.